Hello students, in this video we continue with the problems on numerical integration. Use Wedel's rule to evaluate integral from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos x dx by dividing into 6 equal parts. So the first step is comparing given equation with the equal to integration from a to b f of x dx. We get f of x as cos x, a as minus pi by 2, b as pi by 2, n as 6. So h will be b minus a by n, but it is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus a value is minus pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus of minus becomes plus pi by 2. It has to be 6, sorry. So it will be 2 pi by 2, which is pi, whole divided by 6 is pi by 6. Make this as 6. Now first we will find the value for x as below. X naught as usual, a which is minus pi by 2, x1 x naught plus h minus pi by 2 plus pi by 6 is minus pi by 3, x2 which is x1 plus h minus pi by 3 plus pi by 6 is minus pi by 6, x3 is minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6 which will be 0, x4 0 plus pi by 6 which is pi by 6, x5 is pi by 6 plus pi by 6, that is 2 pi by 6 which is pi by 3, x6 comes out to be pi by 2 which is upper limit b. Now we tabulate x and y values as follows. Once again, dear students, note that here f of x is cos x, so we have to use calculator in radian mode. X naught is minus pi by 2. For this x naught, corresponding y naught will be cos of minus pi by 2. That is cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So we will be calculating y values for each x values here. Finally, we will get y6 which has 0. For x6 as equal to pi by 2, again cos pi by 2 is 0. Now we have Wedel's rule, which is given by, for n equal to 6, 3h by 10 times y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5 times y5 y6 plus y6. If you substitute y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 and h values, we will be getting I value as 1.999. So the value of integral I equal to 1.9999. Ninth problem. Using Simpson's 3/8 rule, evaluate integration from 0 to 0.3 square root of 1 minus 8x cube dx taking 7 ordinates. 7 ordinates means n is 6. So the first step, compare given equation with this one, integration from a to b f of x dx. We will be getting f of x value as square root of 1 minus 8x cube, lower limit a as 0, b as 0.3. 7 ordinates means we know that, students, n is 6. H value is given by b minus a by n, that is 0.3 minus 0 by 6, which is 0.05. Now we will find the values of x as below. X naught 0, x1, we will be adding h value for each of previous value, 0.05, x2 is 0.1, x3 as 0.15, x4 as 0.2, x5 as 0.25, x6 as 0.3. Now we will tabulate x and y values as follows, as we have calculated earlier. Here also you have to calculate x and y values. So here the values are calculated. For each x value, y values are calculated. Now we have Simpson's 3/8 rule, which says that I equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus yn, y0 plus yn plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 up to yn minus 1 plus 2 times y3 plus y6 up to yn minus 3. So for n equal to 6, the formula reduces to 3h by 8 y0 plus y6 plus 3 times 1 plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 up to y5 maximum 6 minus 1, here 2 times y3. So substituting hx and y values, the required values, in equation 1, we get I as equal to 0.2916. 0.2916. Now coming to next problem, a 10th one. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1 x divided by 1 plus x square dx, dividing the whole interval into 3 equal parts, and hence find the value of log of root 2 by using Simpson's 3/8 rule. First step is same. Compare given equation with this equation. We get f of x as x by 1 plus x square. Lower limit a as 0, upper limit b as 1. N is given as a 3, not 6. It has to be 3. N value is 3, not 6. So h value will be b minus a by n, 1 minus 0 by 3, which is 1 by 3. Now we will find the values for x as below. x0, which is 0, x1, which is 1 by 3, x2 is 2 by 3, x3 is 1, which is the upper limit. Now we tabulate x and y values as below. For x is 0, y value will be 0. For x is 1 by 3, y value will be 0.33. For x value 2 by 3, y value will be getting 4615. When x is 1, y will be getting 0.5. Now if you substitute these values in equation 1, equation 1 is 3h by 8 y0 plus y3 for n equal to 3, 3 times y1 plus y2, 3 minus 3 will be 0, so that term is 0, y0, which is already here, so if you substitute h and y values in equation 1, we'll be getting I as equal to 0.0348. Now the second part, we have to find the value of log of root 2. So consider I as equal to integration from 0 to 1 x divided by 1 plus x square dx. So again we have to make an adjustment. We have to multiply and divide by 2. So the integration will be 1 by 2 times log of 1 plus x square, because whenever derivative of denominator is present in numerator, the integral will be log of denominator. Derivative of 1 plus x square will be 2x. So it will be log of denominator with x value lying between 0 to 1. But I value is 0.348, which we have calculated earlier. So equation 2 becomes I equal to 0.348 here, which is equal to 1 by 2 times. If you substitute upper limit, it will be log 2 minus log 1 lower limit. So what I want is log of root 2 value. So log 1 value, we know that log 1 is 0. So I value will be equal to, or log of root 2, we can write 1 by 2 times log 2 as log of root 2 by using the property n log a is equal to log a to the power n. So log root 2 we will be getting 0.348. Now last problem. Find the approximate value of integration from 0 to pi by 2 by using Simpson's one-third rule by dividing the interval 0 to pi by 2 into 6 equal parts. So solution, compare given equation with, as usual, integration from a to b f of x dx. We get f of x as root cos x, a as 0, b as pi by 2, n is 6. So h value will be pi by 2 whole divided by 6, which will be pi by 12. Now we will find the values of x with this h as equal to pi by 2, x naught as 0, x1 as pi by 2, x2 as pi by 12, pi by 2, sorry, it is pi by 12, not pi by 2. x2 as x1 plus h, which is pi by 12 plus pi by 12, 2 pi by 12, which is pi by 6, x3 as pi by 4, x4 as pi by 3, x5 as 5 pi by 12, x6 as pi by 2, which is upper limit. Now we tabulate x and y as follows. Again, one more thing you have to remember. Again, f of x is root cos x, which is trigonometric functions. So we have to use calculator in radian mode. So we calculate x and y values. We have already calculated x values. So corresponding y values are here. Now we have Simpson's one-third rule. I equal to h by 3 times y naught plus yn plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus y5 up to yn minus 1 plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus y6 up to yn minus 2. For n equal to 6, this reduces to, this is not correct, h by 3 times y0 plus y6 plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 times y2 plus y4. So I equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2 square root of cos x dx will be pi by 12 h whole divided by 3, y0 is 1, y6 is 0 plus 4 times y1 0.9828, y3 0.8409, y5 0.5087 plus 2 times y2 0.9326 plus y4 0.7071, which comes out to be 1.1873. With this we complete numerical integration part. Thank you.